What's up? 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 Quick hands ninja style, boy. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back for another wash vlog. We got a nice good old wash vlog for you guys. A little day in the life, little couple projects we're gonna be doing today. I gotta be honest. We have been pretty slow. Still maintaining good business and good revenue, but it has been slower than historically it's been in July. Excuse me. Most Julys, have been record months for the year, and this month has been not that good. I'm not sure if it's because of the 4th of July, or maybe there's a lot of uncertainty in the country right now, revolving around inflation and gas and politics and whatnot. Usually that's not too big of a factor, right? But I'm not too sure what it is. Maybe it's just because it's so hot that people don't even care. They're not even going outside. So I'm not really too sure what it is, but could be also that a lot of people are going on vacation because they haven't been able to go on vacation the last year or two because of COVID. That could be one as well, and whatnot. I want to thank you guys because we just recently purchased the GoPro the GoPro 9 Hero 9, the black version. And I did that with YouTube revenue, ad revenue from all the guys that are watching this video or watching my videos over the years. The ad revenue has just been piling up and piling up and piling up. I've been making more and more money from the channel, and it's so cool to see. So I decided to reinvest a little bit of that money into buying a GoPro, and I'm going to be having chest mounts, head mounts, and give you guys more of a first-person look at my washing, and it'll be really, really cool because I'll be able to film a lot more. Sometimes I can't film that much with my phone because I'm just too busy with what I'm doing, but if it's strapped to my chest and always recording, I got you guys. A lot more content coming soon, but I'm fixing to pick up Tristan. Let's get on to the jobs, guys. Let's get it. All right, guys, switching to GoPro. What up, dude?
Son, you alright?
What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Quick hands ninja style, boy. All right.
I can see.
See yourself?
Gang.
All right.
All of our hose out.
Make sure we got SH pointed on the SH. Most powerful weapon ever constructed. This is the equivalent of Thor's hammer. Okay. Oh, let's tape up some stuff. Let's see what we got to tape up. I think there's a Nest doorbell. All right, guys, it's time to get to work. Go ahead and choke on. All right, first thing I'm gonna be doing, guys, is just rinsing down everything, huh?
I don't know how the hell we're gonna get that.
All right, guys, it's not too much algae going on, just a lot of cobwebs and bugs. I use this ladder to get up that cobwebs and dirt daubers up there. Yep, and a couple more. I got all my boots.
Feet getting wet.
What is going on, guys? Okay, so in this little clip right here, you kind of see me washing along. By the way, guys, this is just straight water. I'm not spraying any bleach on all this stuff. Some of you guys would say, Austin, why aren't you moving all the furniture? Why aren't you moving the plants? Isn't it a bad thing to get water on all those things? Okay, this is a small upstairs deck where you can't, the only way you can put some of this stuff is moving it inside, okay? You're not going to put all this outdoor furniture inside this small condo, okay? So it's just straight water. It's not a big deal. Obviously the plants, they need water, so I didn't think that was a big deal. And then the outdoor furniture is that outdoor cushions. They get water on them all the time. So it is no problem at all what I'm doing. I'm just kind of rinsing along, getting all those cobwebs off, getting all the dirt daubers, and just kind of cleaning the place up. That was about 10:45. What time did we get here? We got here at 9:40. It's 10:40, so about an hour. Don't you say that, man. I'm sensitive.
He's talking to this guy where he's ordering fucking Starbucks for him and his wife, and the lady behind the desk, he was like, "Can I get this for my wife?" And she was like,
Goodness, seriously?
"Yeah." I was like,
Wow. People go great lengths. People go great lengths to make no fucking sense. All right, guys, let me show you how easy Markate is. I'm gonna go into my app.
hit him with the bill.
I'm gonna hit them with the bill. It's gonna be this easy. Schedule. Carson Wine. It's a $350 job. See that? We're gonna hit complete. Customer gets a notification that it's complete. We're gonna send the invoice. The invoice has been successfully sent to Carson. Done. Now we're on to the next job.
When you want to get off that darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. Earth from a bird's eye view. You should grow feathers and see this too. When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. Clear
All right, guys, we just got done. I'm gonna show you guys how to go on Markate, and we gotta update the invoice and send it. So I just, where's my customer? Right here. Here's the invoice, supposed to be 670 bucks. We're gonna add 75 bucks for the gutters. And service plus gutter cleaning, 75 bucks. Boom, boom, boom. Total 745, check mark. Okay, complete. Notify the customer that it's complete. And then we send it her way. She gets an email and a text message. Boom, done. Just like that. Now we go back to our schedule, go to the next job right here, hit the map section, and it's gonna take us right where we wanna go, baby. All right, boys, we are on the third project of the day. My guy Chase right here. Chase, give us a word of advice right here, of just wiseness from Mr. Chase.
Wiseness. Invest in real estate as soon as possible. As much leverage as possible.
There you go.
Use other people's money. That's what it's for.
That's what it's for. That's pretty powerful right there. He just bought this house, and we're gonna get it all cleaned up for him. We're gonna do this driveway and do this house, so we'll get it going. We're fine. What's up?
I'll be in a meeting from like 2 to like 3-ish. If y'all finish around then.
When you want to get off that darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. Earth from a bird's eye view. You should grow feathers and see this too. When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. Clear sky. Where am
You guys want to see something really weird? Look at this. I'm spraying water.
What?
I've never seen such a thing. All right, that's our little pressure friend down there. A little saying hello to us every second. Well, we need the hose in order to complete the job. So
I'd come off the gun and I kept hearing something behind me and I was like, what the fuck?
get another hose. Can you go get my gun and then the remote for it, and then make sure that the little valve is turned to SH?
Dude, are you gonna downstream everything?
Yeah. Oh, god damn. Okay, I just got hit in the face with that. All right, switching to, oh, actually I already did. I believe. Yep, I'm shooting. And that's straight bleach that's shooting out of the line there. Yeah, back up.
Should we, wait, let me tape it. Let me put a piece of tape on it.
All right, where's it at?
Do it real quick.
There it is.
That's so weird. That it's like, when it's under pressure, it's not working. Hold that real quick.
Rig, tighten that up real quick. Let's see what happens now.
Oh my god.
That did not work. I just got doused in the face with bleach. just like that, another house wash done. Exactly 1 hour, pretty much, hour and 5 minutes, and that another hose toasted for us. I think that's probably my 3rd hose this season. I'm going through hoses a lot. I don't know what the deal is. Honestly, I think it has something to do with when we're pulling hoses around, we're stretching the shit out of them. Probably. Yeah, like, probably not taking the best care of them, but it's a cheap fix. Just get another one. All right, guys, we are back. It's obviously much later. It's about 8:30 right now, and yeah, pretty successful day. The first job was a quick $400. The following job, which was that house wash window cleaning, and we added that gutter cleaning on there, that was $750. And now the previous job, or the last job, which was my friend Chase's house, that was another $400. So nice little day for us. Tomorrow should be the exact same. So super cool. It has been a little slow for us. Not too sure why, but you know, we're still hanging in there and doing what we need to be doing every day. So I think there's just a little bit of uncertainty in the marketplace. It's also really extraordinarily hot right now, so not too sure what's going on. But I've been feeling really motivated recently here, guys. Been feeling really motivated. I've switched up my whole diet over the last week. I've gotten back into intermittent fasting, where I don't eat till, you know, 1, 2, 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Eat one snack and then a big meal. So pretty much just a nice snack, apple, maybe some fruit, and then a nice big meal in the afternoon. I've definitely leaned up a lot. My face is getting a little smaller, losing a little bit of fat, and I feel amazing. Drinking a lot of water, walking 2 miles a day, and I feel great, guys. So just a note to get out there and take care of yourself. Change your body, change your life, change your business, get motivated. Learn new things, feed your brain, feed your body, and get to the next level, baby. I'm out. Peace out.